Hello guys. Yeah, my note just turned off. Hello guys, it's Retro Reforged here. And today guys I'm gonna show you the Galaxy Ace 4. This is a phone released sometime in 2014. It's a budget phone, it's a low-end phone. On Android 4.4.4. And it cannot be upgraded. It was stuck on 4.4.4 ever since it came out. It runs TouchWiz Essence, and it actually has the sounds and startup animation from the Galaxy S5, but except it doesn't have the old KitKat it doesn't have the old powered by Android thing, like the older logo for the powered by Android thing. It has the newer one, because this is a newer firmware maybe. See? On my S5, let me see if I can bring that. So, you saw that one here, right? Now if I bring this phone and put it on, which is on the same Android version, it's my S5 Plus, you see the Android logo is different. Yeah. Actually, let's compare the two. The S5 Plus with the Ace 4, since I brought it here. Yeah, the status bars are different. Not by much, just by a little bit. Diagrams are also different. Power menus are also different. And app menus are also... No, they're actually kind of the same. Settings menus are different. But Android version is the same. Yeah, Android version is the same, 4.4.4. Yeah, except one is in English because I set it to English for this video, and the other is in Romanian because I didn't know I was gonna feature this in the video. That's why it's still in Romanian. I'm not trying to hide the fact that I'm Romanian. For example, it's just my nationality. It's nothing to be ashamed of. People don't get ashamed because they're Japanese. People don't get ashamed because they're Chinese. People don't get ashamed because they're Spanish. They don't get ashamed. They're the... I got confused. I couldn't even speak properly. Anyway, yeah. The builds are pretty nice, but yeah, this actually is a good phone because it has Samsung apps. Does this have Samsung apps? No, this has Galaxy apps. Because it's probably a newer firmware. The lock screens are also different. They have fewer effects on the lock screens. Like if I go to the settings, hold on a minute. Let me go to the lock screen settings here and a little bit more here. If we go to unlock effect or effect de bloccare on the S5, we got stone skipping and tension on the Ace 4 and popping colors, whatever this one is, not this one, the one above it, this one. Yeah, this one's the stone skipping effect. They both have the stone skipping effect. Watercolor. Yeah, I know. I know it's this one. And Unde, which means ripple. It's probably the ripple effect. Yeah, it's the ripple effect. And for this, the tension effect kinda looks like this. Yeah, so in summary, if you were to get a phone for your collection, honestly get both. They're both good in the same way. But honestly, I would advise you to get the S5 first, then this. Whether that's an S5 Plus or S5 or Note 4 or whatever it is. Yeah, the Note 4 has nothing to do with the S5, it's a different phone, it's not a variant of the S5, but yeah. So let's just turn this off, see which wins. 3, 2, 1. S5 turned off faster and this vibrated short after. So yeah, and this actually got up to Marshmallow, so yeah, this can be updated like via Odin, whereas this cannot. This was stuck on 4.4.4. This can be updated to 5.0.2 and 6.0.1. Although I haven't had 6.0.1 in a while on this. I don't know if I should put 6.0.1 on this. Maybe I should. I don't know if I'm gonna do it. I might, but I might not. So don't expect me to have Marshmallow on it the next time you see it. Goodbye.